Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Teaching of English Language. It's a DLED ETT first year book of Government of Himachal Pradesh. It's a bestseller book of most trusted publishing firm of Vinod Publications. It's as per the new syllabus pattern. So let's check out and review this book. Syllabus, first of all, syllabus is mentioned, unit is mentioned. Unit 1, nature of language. These are the topics. Then unit 2, language skills, listening and speaking skills. These are the topics. Then unit 3, reading and writing skills. These are the topics. You can check. Then unit 4, lesson planning and learner assessment. These are the topics are given. Now we have to check the contents and verify the contents with the syllabus, whether contents are absolutely proper or not. So unit 1, language, meaning, scope and nature of and foreign language, meaning, nature, scope. Then language as a mean of communication, communicative English language, constructing language in the classroom, understanding the importance of language, importance of objective of teaching English, and so on. You can check out with syllabus everything, constructing, understanding, importance, expectation, everything is completely there. So unit 1 is clear, contents just match the syllabus, completely match the syllabus. Check out unit 2 now, language skills, meaning, concept, importance with subtopics, language, concept, importance, everything is completely there. Oral expression, importance, objective, types, role of listening in oral expressions, types of listening, passive, active, factors affecting listening, speaking skills, and so on till it's till phonetic drills and till the dictation part of it. And then the other page also cover this only. One second, sorry, other page has unit 3, so it's still dictation. Let's check out with the syllabus. You can check out language skills, meaning, concept, objectives, unit 2, and till the phonetic drills, till the dictation part, it's all is completely there. So this content of unit 2 are also clear. Now we have to go to unit 3 and check out reading and writing skills, concept, importance, types of reading, silent and reading aloud. Then acquisition of reading skills, reading and comprehension with different types of text. Then creating environment for reading, writing, objective of writing, teaching skill of writing to beginners, types of writing, individual creative expressions, teaching writing skill, teaching writing as a process, and then different forms of writing. And you have to check out with mention with syllabus. You can verify with syllabus. Unit 3, reading and writing skill, reading, concept, importance, objective, types of reading, silent, reading aloud, and so on. Then it's still different forms of writing, letters. You can check out, it's all is completely there. You have to check the last unit, which is unit 4, lesson planning and learner assessment. Approaches and method of teaching English, teacher aids, assessment, assessing speaking, remedial teaching, and till continuous and comprehensive assessment of, and the last topic, which is teaching of continuous comprehensive assessment. You can verify it with syllabus. Lesson planning and learner assessment, lesson planning, approaches and method of teaching English language, and it's still continuous and comprehensive assessment, which I have told you earlier. So everything, contents cover everything of the syllabus, no doubt about that. Contents have everything. You have to mention whether the page numbers which are given in front of contents, which are very explained in detail, whether these page numbers are actually accurate or not. So for example, if we go to page 181, whether I find punctuation or not at page number 81. So let me find out at page 81. You can check page number 81, punctuation, it's completely there. You can check any other also, like in unit 4, page 276, classroom as a resource, whether it's there or not. You can find out. So page 276, classroom as a resource is completely there. So page numbers are also very rightly mentioned. Everything is very well properly explained, also very easy language also of this book. All topics are well clear. Go to any page number of contents and find the topics. The also very good thing about this book is so detail explained that it covers 327 pages. Can you believe 327 pages are given to this book, which is very good. And the last page of book, other books of ETD first year guest papers and books of Himachal Pradesh are also mentioned. You can check them out. So coming to the price of this book, the price of this book is unbelievable, which is just rupees 199.50 rupees. So 199.50 for a 327 page book is remarkable, and amazing. It's very less, very reasonable. This book is available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy it online, or you can call them directly at 9218219218. Book will be available to you within 3-4 days only. You can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com. go to the Facebook, Twitter and YouTube also, or you can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com and check out other books of this publishing firm. And if you have any complaint regarding any book, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So 199.50 is a very good price of this book. And if you want to purchase this book offline from bookstore, you can go to any bookstore and buy this book at just 199.50 also. So buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon or phone number, or buy it offline on any bookstore. It's your choice. I highly recommend this book. 199.50 is a very good, great, reasonable price for this book. So Teaching of English Language of Vinod Publications is a highly recommendable book from my side. I think you should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.